Hi there. My name is Darren Benari. I'm a student here at Galen's Miami campus. I chose Galen because my wife is an alumni of Galen. I was so impressed by the way they ran their program that I decided I wanted to change my career and enter into nursing. I chose Galen because even though there's many options out there, Galen is truly the best choice. They prepared you to be a successful nurse by involving you in real life scenarios, clinicals at the hospitals, the real life simulators that they have here at Galen as well. The education at Galen's unique because they don't teach you what to think, but rather how to think. And that's the important thing. Is it easy? Absolutely not. The most meaningful experience that I've gained from Galen is the friendships I've made. Everyone here is like family. One of the things I love about Galen is that the professors here don't treat you like students. They treat you as equals because one day you will be their equal. You'll hold a nursing degree just like them. You may work in a hospital alongside them. And one of the things I really enjoy is that everyone here works their hardest to bring you up. It really is an awesome experience.